A plastic radiator neck repair kit is a convenient solution for a cracked radiator neck. The kit contains copper reinforcement pipe section, epoxy, sanding pads, pins, a wide hose clamp, and instructions. It will not only fix the broken piece, but also the plastic upper tank. This product can easily fix a leaking or brittle radiator neck. The kit includes all the tools you need to get the job done. A plastic radiator neck repair kit is a handy tool to replace a cracked or broken piece of a radiator. These kits are easy to use and can save you a lot of money over a new one. Although they are designed to fix minor leaks, they do not fix a broken overflow tube. In such a case, you must purchase a new radiator. In addition, you must remember that high-pressure coolant will damage the adhesive on a plastic radiator. If you don't have the right tool, the adhesive may fall off within a few months. The V-groove on a plastic radiator neck is an excellent place to fix a cracked one. You can use a plastic welder to melt the nylon rod directly into the base material. This method produces a solid weld repair that can withstand the harsh operating conditions. It is important to use the right type of plastic welder and follow the directions carefully. The plastic repair kit includes all of the tools you will need to complete the job and save yourself a lot of time and money. While the repairing process is easy and inexpensive, a professional radiator repair shop will usually recommend purchasing a new radiator, as it is more expensive. A plastic radiator neck repair kit is the best solution if your radiator has suffered a crack. Fortunately, the repair kit can help you save time and money. You can use it yourself at home or at the shop. You can even purchase a radiator neck replacement kit for a reasonable price. Using a plastic radiator neck repair kit is a convenient way to repair your damaged plastic radiator neck. These kits are specifically designed for radiator neck repairs. The specialized tools are made for different types of radiator tanks. A plastic radiator neck repair kit can repair a leaking radiator in an easy and effective way. The kit will prevent the radiator from overheating, and can prevent the radiator from becoming too hot.